Ever feel like your money is slipping through your fingers? You know you're earning, but at the end of the month, you're left wondering where it all went. Budgeting can feel like a chore, a restriction, something that takes the joy out of spending. But what if I told you there's a way to take control of your finances without feeling like you're constantly saying no? What if you could actually see where your money is going and make conscious decisions about how to use it? That's where Goodbudget comes in. It's a fantastic budgeting app based on the envelope system, which is a proven method for managing your money. And a crucial part of using Goodbudget effectively is linking your bank accounts. This allows Goodbudget to automatically import your transactions, saving you time and giving you a real-time view of your financial situation. So, the question is, how do you actually add your bank accounts to Goodbudget? That's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why linking your bank accounts is so beneficial. First, it automates the process of tracking your spending. No more manually entering every single transaction. Goodbudget pulls the data directly from your bank, so you can see where your money is going without lifting a finger. Second, it gives you a complete picture of your finances. By linking all your accounts, you get a holistic view of your income, expenses, and overall financial health. This makes it much easier to identify areas where you can save money or adjust your spending habits. Third, it helps you stay on track with your budget. With real-time transaction updates, you can see how close you are to reaching your spending limits in each envelope. This helps you avoid overspending and stay within your budget. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Adding your bank accounts to Goodbudget is a straightforward process, but there are a few things you need to know. First, you'll need to have a Goodbudget account. If you don't already have one, head over to goodbudget.com and sign up. It's free to get started. Once you've created your account, you can access Goodbudget through their website or mobile app. For this tutorial, we'll be using the website, but the process is very similar on the mobile app. Okay, so you're logged into your Goodbudget account. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Accounts section. This is usually located in the main menu or sidebar. Click on Accounts, and you'll see a list of any accounts you've already added. Since we're adding new accounts, you'll want to look for a button that says something like Add Account or Link Account. Click on that button. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Goodbudget uses a secure third-party service to connect to your bank accounts. This service acts as a bridge between Goodbudget and your bank, ensuring that your financial information is kept safe and confidential. You'll be presented with a list of banks and financial institutions. Simply search for your bank and select it from the list. Once you've selected your bank, you'll be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. This is the same username and password you use to log into your bank's website. It's important to understand that Goodbudget does not store your banking credentials. They are securely transmitted to the third-party service, which then uses them to access your account information. This is a standard practice for apps and services that connect to bank accounts, and it's designed to protect your privacy. After you've entered your credentials, you may be asked to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions, receiving a verification code via text message or email, or using two-factor authentication. This is an extra layer of security to ensure that only you can access your bank account information. Once your identity has been verified, the third-party service will retrieve your account information from your bank. This may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, you'll see a list of your accounts at that bank. You can then select the accounts you want to link to Goodbudget. You can choose to link all of your accounts or just a few. It's entirely up to you. After you've selected the accounts you want to link, you'll need to give them a name in Goodbudget. This is simply a way to identify your accounts within the app. You can use the names your bank uses, or you can create your own. For example, you might name your checking account Main Checking or your savings account Emergency Fund. Once you've named your accounts, click Save or Finish. Your accounts will now be linked to Goodbudget. You should see them listed in the Accounts section. Goodbudget will automatically start importing your transactions. This may take a little while, especially if you have a lot of transactions. Once the import is complete, you'll be able to see your transactions in Goodbudget and start budgeting. Now, a couple of important things to keep in mind. First, you can add multiple bank accounts to Goodbudget. This is great if you have accounts at different banks or if you want to keep your personal and business finances separate. The process for adding additional accounts is the same as the process we just went through. Second, you can always unlink your bank accounts from Goodbudget if you choose to. Simply go to the Accounts section, select the account you want to unlink, and look for an option to disconnect or unlink. This will remove the connection between Goodbudget and your bank account. Third, it's important to keep your banking credentials secure. Never share your username and password with anyone, including Goodbudget support. If you suspect that your credentials have been compromised, change your password immediately. So, that's it. That's how you add your bank accounts to Goodbudget. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in how you manage your money. By linking your accounts, you can automate your transaction tracking, get a complete picture of your finances, and stay on track with your budget. It's a powerful tool that can help you take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and